So one of the things I'm going to do, my granddaughters are of age that they're playing video games. And it's important that they understand abusive language. So in these rooms where you see the women gamers, putting these men of small character in place, I want, if you would please have the dads in the room with the girls playing the video games, because I want this to be done safely and with the understanding of what women face. Just playing a game. The abusive language. Young girls need to understand what abusive men sound like. Just for playing a game, just for being better at playing a game. Let the fathers understand and show their daughters that is unacceptable. So thank you, women gamers, who put those men of small character, their voices on there. Thank you for doing that. And not having an emotional reaction that feeds into their small character, the men's small character. How they try to get you to feel a certain way so that they can win. Their egos are that fragile and that small. So, thank you for representing. I appreciate you.